Put on. Put on. To wear something, like clothes or accessories. Put on your jacket, it's cold outside. Put on your jacket, it's cold outside. Break up. Break up. To end a relationship. We broke up in last month. We broke up in last month. Break into. Break into. To enter a place illegally or by force. The thief broke into my room last night. The thief broke into my room last night. Warm up. Warm up. To make something warmer. She warmed up the soup for the baby. She warmed up the soup for the baby. Come in. Come in. To enter a place. She came in the room and sat down. She came in the room and sat down. Hand in. Hand in. To submit something. She will hand in her paper tomorrow. She will hand in her paper tomorrow. Write down. Write down. To write something on paper. Please write down your password. Please write down your password. Carry on. Carry on. To continue doing something. She carries on with her work. She carries on with her work. Break down. Break down. To stop working for machines. My car broke down again. My car broke down again. Pick up. Pick up. To lift something or someone. She picked up the toys. She picked up the toys. Take off. Take off. To remove something, like clothes or shoes, etc. I took off my socks. I took off my socks. Call back. Call back. To return a phone call. I will call you back later. I will call you back later. Look for. Look for. To try to find something or someone. She is looking for her pen. She is looking for her pen. Wrap up. Wrap up. To finish or conclude something. Let's wrap up the work today. Let's wrap up the work today. Turn off. Turn off. To stop or deactivate something. Please turn off the light. Please turn off the light. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. She looks after her father. She looks after her father. Take out. Take out. To remove something from somewhere. He is taking out the trash. He is taking out the trash. Bring up. Bring up. To start talking about something. To raise a child. She brought up her problem in the party. She brought up her problem in the party. I was brought up in this town. I was brought up in this town. Get up. Get up. To rise from a sitting or lying position. Get up, you are late today. Get up, you are late today. Try on. Try on. To put on clothes to see if they fit or look good. She will try on this one now. She will try on this one now.